How to add translate option in Instagram bio. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you wanna go ahead and open Instagram on your phone. Here in the bio, you can see the words are in English, so you cannot translate into other languages. But when you go ahead and search for any other language account, that is, for example, Russian, here in her bio, the words are in Russian and you can see the option See Translation. When you tap on it, all the words will be translated into English. Translation option is automatic on Instagram. What I'm trying to say is what language you use for your Instagram account, and if something is in another language, you will be able to translate it. For instant example, as your account is in English language, when you see a Russian language, you'll be able to translate to English so that you will understand it. In the same way, if any Russian account sees your account and it is in English, they will be able to translate it in Russian language. There is no specific button for translation that you can turn on or turn it off. And that is simply how to add translate option in your Instagram bio. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.